Right, so to do the Suzette stitch, guys, we need to do a slip knot, and then we need a foundation chain, which is a multiple of 3 plus 2, so I'm going to do 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then what you're going to do is you're going to do a single, starting in your second chain from your hook. You're going to do singles all the way along. So 1, 2. Obviously, I'm just doing a very small sample. You can just do the chain length however long you need it. As long as it is a multiple of 3 plus 2, it will work. I just love working into the chain knot. If you are counting, you will only have 19 when you get to the other end, but I'm not counting anymore. I just recorded this whole video as well, and it didn't record, so I'm doing it again. What a sausage. Right, we're nearly there. When we get to the end, we are going to do a chain 2. Here we go, so we're at the end, so that's the last single. So now we're going to do a chain 2, and then we're going to turn, and we are going to do 2 doubles into this stitch at the bottom of the chain 2. So 1, 2. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and you're going to put a single into the next stitch. You're also going to put 2 doubles into that stitch, exactly the same one. Then you're going to skip 2 again, so 1, 2, and you're going to put a single into that one. And then you're going to do 2 doubles again. This is a 1 row repeat, so you do the same every single row. So skip 2, and then you're going to put 1 single in there and 2 doubles. And then you're going to skip 2 again. You're going to do a single and 2 doubles. Then you're going to skip 2 again and do a single and 2 doubles. And when you get to the end of a row, like we're going to in a minute, so I've got a skip 2, and then I need to just put a single into the end, just 1 single, not the 2 doubles, just 1 single. Don't know why that didn't go through, but anyway, come on, sausage. Right, so a single into there, and then you're going to chain 2, so 1, 2, and then you're going to turn your work, and then into the bottom of this stitch we're going to put 2 doubles, so 1, 2, and then you're going to, it's the same from now on, so you're going to skip 2, so 1, 2, and you're going to do your single and 2 doubles into that stitch, so 1, 2. Then you're going to skip 2, and you're going to do your single into that stitch, and you're going to do your 2 doubles again into the same stitch. Then you're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and you're going to do a single and 2 doubles into that stitch. Then you're going to skip 2 again, and you're going to do your single and your 2 doubles into this stitch. And then you're going to skip 2 again, so 1, 2, and you're going to put your single and 2 doubles into that stitch. And then you're going to skip 2, and when we get to the end of the row it's always the same, so you skip 2 and you just do your single in there, and then you chain 2, you turn, and you do your 2 doubles in here. And then you continue, so you skip 2 and you do your single and your 2 doubles. and you do your single, and you'll learn where to put the stitch and you don't have to count the 2 all the time, but you do single and your 2 doubles, single and 2 doubles, and yeah, you just keep going like that. I hope this video has helped, and I hope you make a beautiful blanket. It is very beautiful. But yeah, you just do your foundation chain as long as you want it, as long as it's a multiple of 3 plus 2, and then you're off. And thank you for watching.